Python, or operator. Welcome to this video where we will be discussing the use of or operators in Python. The function myFunction takes a single argument val and returns a Boolean value. Based on the condition, val for equals 0. In other words, it returns true if the input value is divisible by 4 and false otherwise. Now let's see the function in action. We call the function with the value 8 and print the result. The output will be true, since 8 is indeed divisible by 4. Next, we call the function with the value 13 and print the result. The output will be false, since 13 is not divisible by 4. Finally, we use the OR operator to combine the results of two function calls. One with 8 and the other with 13. As expected, the output will be true, since at least one of the function calls returns true. Like and comment, don't forget to.
To watch more, subscribe.